Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar, click on it and pick a date. When you're ready, you need to tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and then adjust your event however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour. You can also turn off this feature if you wish to by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Change color, click on location over here, select map and tap on keyword or address. I will go with address, so now I will just type in, for example, that one. Click on the correct one, which is done at the bottom right corner, and now you can also select don't repeat and tap on one of those options if you wish your event to repeat. You can take notes, invite people from your contact book, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, and finally choose save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on it again and choosing this pen icon at the bottom. Now make your changes and choose save again. In order to delete it though, you need to click on it, but this time select delete icon at the bottom right corner and tap on move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!